What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back and checking out this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna be bringing you a quick unboxing and install video on a battery relocation kit I ended up picking up for the EG, DC5 Creations battery relocation kit. Real quick, guys, if you are new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you guys would smash that subscribe button and comment down below, guys. Let me know which part of the world you guys are subscribing from. If you guys are subscribing from right here within the United States, let me know, you know, what state, city, whatever. And if you are outside of the United States, I would appreciate it. Let me know which country, man. I ended up having a subscriber all the way from Ireland subscribe to the channel. Shout out to you, brother. Yeah, I'm just curious as to where you guys are you tuning in from. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and then start doing a quick unboxing. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is the kit right here. This is how I ended up receiving it from DC5 Creations. He sends it just in a cardboard package, like a paper cardboard package. I'm not too concerned. It is just a, you know, chunk of metal, billet aluminum that is coming within this packaging. So I don't see it getting damaged or nothing like that. But if it were to get damaged, I'm pretty sure you would contact DC5 Creations and they'll look out for you guys. But with that being said, guys, if packaging presentation is a big important to you, you might lose brownie points in the packaging part because it is, you know, just paper or whatever. But with that being said, guys, I'm gonna pull out the kit right now. Alright, that's it. Alright, what we got here? So he sends it to you with it's not instructions, what is this? Well, yeah, somewhat of paper instructions and what else? This. Oh yeah, this is the template for you to be able to put the template up onto your car and mark the holes as to where it is you got to drill out to install the rib nuts. These right here. Yeah. So for the most part, it's just wrapped in this, whatever you call that type of foam paper or whatnot. Yeah, let me see. Everything for the most part looks good. There's no damage on any of the pieces. And if it were to be damaged, have some nicks, guys, this is gonna be located in your rear weld where it's gonna see a lot of water, rocks, you know, mud, whatever, you know. In my case, it's probably gonna see a lot of track bite from being at the track. So this is gonna get all filled with rubber, but yeah. It's not that big of a concern for me. The kit is a beautiful kit, man. Reason I ended up picking this kit up was for the sole purpose of the way it looked, and it was a billet aluminum, and it looked like it was just gonna last a very, very long time. The quality online, just on pictures, it looked awesome, and for the price, you can't beat it. I ended up picking this up on around Black Friday. So I believe this kit is around $220. I ended up picking it up, shipped to my house around $180, which, yeah, I needed it, couldn't pass up the deal, and I just picked it up, bring you an install video for the channel. So with that being said, guys, I am gonna be setting you guys up on the tripod over by the car and start installing this. So what the kit brings you, it brings you a couple Allen head bolts, 3 rib nuts, and a little spacer. I don't know what this is for, but we'll start installing this in the car and see how this turns out. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna start off. There's a, let me see if you guys can see that. No, you cannot because it's dark, but right here, there's a 10 mil, like a hole, threaded hole for you to be able to put a 10 mil. You're gonna use this 10 millimeter bow here to set this template in place. Then for you to make the holes and insert the rib nut inserts right in this corner here. So let me set you guys down and show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off by putting some masking tape right in the wheel well, just so I could, when I go to mark it off, since it is black, I want to see it with my marker. But yeah. That there like that. So set that up there. Grab my little 10 mil. Just like that. Get it as straight as possible. You see this edge right here is gonna line up with the edge of the chassis right here. There's the frame rail. Ah, crap. Put it up against the frame rail. I'm gonna tape it to hold it in place so when I go to make the markings, it doesn't move on me. Give me a second. Like that. Alright guys, so these are the 3 holes you're gonna have to drill out. As you can see, everything is for the most part nice and straight. Just like that. Let me grab the piece to see how it lines up quick. Give me a second. Guys, but you gotta make sure when you do this, triple, quadruple check before you make the hose, because once you make the hose, it's no turning back. Yeah, it's no turning back. So you're gonna be SOL if you drill the hose and then it's not lined up properly, and this is gonna be like cockeyed like this to one side or vice versa. You want this as straight as possible, up against, you know, just like this. So yeah, with that being said guys, double, triple check before you make the drill, or before you drill into the chassis. So yeah, that looks it's lining up at the top, and I see all 3 holes pretty clearly. So grab your punch, try to center it as perfect as possible, and make your marking. To make that as deep as possible so the drill bit does not skip and move out of the center punch, because if it moves either to the right, to the left, it's not going to be square. When you drill the hose, it'll you know, throw it off a bit. So that being said, I got my markings done. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you ain't gonna be able to see that, but yeah, they look pretty straight. So now I'm gonna grab the drill bit and start drilling into the chassis there. This is a bit nerve-wracking, but let's go. Take your time, guys. Don't apply too much pressure in because you'll kill this drill bit. You know, let the drill bit just dig in by itself. Give it a little bit of pressure, but not too much. And there's also a misconception with a drill bit, you know, that the faster you go, the quicker it cuts down. That's not necessarily true. The slower you go, as long as this bit does not get hot, you know, you don't want it to, you know, you want your drill bits to last as long as possible. So just a nice firm pressure, nice and slow. If you want, add a little bit of oil or something so the tip doesn't get hot. And yeah, just start drilling in. Now I'm gonna just step it up, gradually step it up. I'm gonna start off with one hole, then put the template back all over on again and see how it lines up. Final bit, because I don't have the right size, I'm gonna use a step bit, and I believe just one step up, that's it. Just like that, it fits nice and snug. Guys, you do not want the rib nut to be dancing inside, because when you go to squeeze this rib nut or rivet it on, it won't. The way this works, this rib nut squeezes and it makes like a little wall where it pinches, you know, this metal into place. What you don't want to have it so loose that when this crushes down and creates that like border wall to pinch it up against the frame, you know, it starts dancing inside it. It doesn't have a really firm, tight grip onto the actual chassis. So yeah, just like that, that's done. Alright guys, so the kit is going to come with this little spacer piece, these two spacers right here. This, what you're going to do, you're going to use the supplied bolt, just like that. You get the supplied bolt, you're going to put it in the back of it, and then grab this little bolt he supplies in the kit, and then just screw it into place. Screw the spacer right in the back of it. So what this is going to do is it's gonna give you that clearance for this hump that you see right here. It's gonna stick it out and have the whole kit nice and leveled. So just like that. Boom. Now you grab the spacer, put it in the back, just like this. Put that bolt in, and then put the spacer in the back and just start screwing that top 10 mil bolt onto the chassis. Where is it at? Make sure you do all of these hand tight first before you go crazy on them.
That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. Don't forget to hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you guys be notified whenever I put out any content. And remember, guys, until next time, stay blessed. Peace.